Welcome to this DelfStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to fix the Edge critical error red screen. A critical error with a red screen in Microsoft Edge means the browser has encountered a serious issue such as corrupted Edge files or failed processes and cannot run properly. First, restart Microsoft Edge and your PC. Close all Edge windows, then restart your system to clear any temporary glitches. Next, reopen Microsoft Edge and clear your browser cache. Press Ctrl-Shift to delete on your keyboard, then make sure cookies and other site data and cached images and files are selected. After that, click Clear Now. Once that is done, go to the Extensions tab on the left-hand side and disable all of your extensions. Restart the browser and check if the issue is now resolved. If the problem continues, go to Settings, open Reset Settings, click Restore Settings to their default values, and choose Reset. Now, let's repair Microsoft Edge. Open Settings, go to Apps, then Installed Apps, and search for Edge in the search bar. Click the three dots, choose Modify, click Yes if prompted, and then select Repair. Finally, run a system file scan. Type CMD in the Windows search bar and run it as an administrator. In command prompt, type sfc/scanow and press Enter. Wait for the scan to finish. Then restart your PC. That's it. We just learned how to fix the Microsoft Edge critical error red screen by restarting the system, clearing cache, disabling extensions, resetting settings, repairing Edge, and scanning system files. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelfStack tutorial video.